Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Today we will see another tourist place in Barcelona, Port Vell. Port Vell is home to lot of luxury super yachts and lot of party boats. Due to COVID, you can see there are less people on Port Vell because there are no tourists, but still you can see lot of people come here to relax and for leisure time. This walkway is called Rambla de Mar. It is an ideal place for going for a stroll and taking in some brand new views of the city. It is built on the sea, and this floating gangway is one of the Port Vell's most emblematic works, and it is one of the unique in the world. The Port Vell is Barcelona's largest leisure, recreational and commercial area, and it is one of the liveliest and most relaxing place in Barcelona. It is one of the city's best attractions. This walkway on which I am standing is completely made up of wood. This pathway opens up if the yachts or the fishing boats or ships which are standing behind me when they want to pass by. On Port Vell, you will also find this ropeway which you can see behind me. It connects Port Vell to Montjuic Mountains. This monument which you can see here is the Christopher Columbus Monument. It was constructed in 1888 in the honor of Christopher Columbus' first voyage to the Americas. This building behind me is the old customs office of Barcelona. It is also situated on Port Vell. This shrimp which you can see behind me is also one of the most popular emblem you can say in Barcelona. It was constructed in 1992 Olympics and it was part of a seafood restaurant, and that restaurant became bankrupt after the Olympics. It was demolished and the authorities of Barcelona put this emblem of shrimp here for tourist attraction. Behind me, the symbol which you see is known as Face of Barcelona. It is also constructed during the 1992 Olympics, and it symbolizes that the city transformed during the 1992 Olympics. So friends, this was my video about Portvale. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. If you liked my video, please do share with your friends and family. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook too. You can find the links in the description below. So I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
Yo soy tan solo uno de los dos polos en esta historia la mitad. Apenas me elenco estable, una de las dos variables en esta polaridad. Más y menos vos, y en el otro extremo de esa línea estás tú. Mi tormento, mi fabuloso complemento, mi fuente de salud. Deseo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, no, 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 no. Deseo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, no, 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 no. Igual que hace millones de siglos en un microscópico mundo distante se unieron dos células cualquiera, distintos, dos seres distintos, amándose por vez primera. Deseo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, no, 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 no. Deseo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, mire donde mire te veo, no, 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 no. Dulce magnetismo, dos cargas opuestas buscando lo mismo.